I'm gonna change the title. We're not reacting to videos anymore.
And mine's changed, so I'm good. What?
Yeah, I changed mine, so it's good.
I didn't hear it that time either.
I said, yeah, I changed my title too.
I was opening my cheese.
How were you opening your cheese? That sounded like you're guzzling down like a can of something. Yeah.
Alright. I have a can of sparkling water.
Oh, okay. I was horrified. How are you eating? Like I imagine you just have cheese right there. You you just go full like rat mode or something.
I forgot about that.
It's so scary. Like, what was that?
No.
It was me eating cheese.
I forgot about the can. I'm sorry.
It's something that someone like your mom would go like you should slow down on that, and you turn around hunched over, with two real like rat teeth.
I can't breathe.
Oh my god.
Oh god. Okay.
Ooh, piece of cheese. Added.
Cheese is delicious, okay?
I was gonna change the name, but I started laughing at you. Only you and Mods. Oh, okay. I was like, what should I change it? Oh my god.
You made me mess up.
Make sure to breathe, by the way. Don't just devour that entire thing. Just you're eating that like you're starving for days, man.
Ow! Ow! Ow!
See, that's what happens. You eat too quickly, it hurts.
That's what. Okay. Okay. Can I wait? Are you still here?
No.
Okay. So
I'm hiding.
I need
Cheese.
no.
I need more cheese.
I have plenty of cheese in the fridge. It's fine.
It's not gonna last long from the sounds of it.
Only no. I forgot about the can of water. Okay.
Clearly, you're focused on the cheese. I'm quite aware you forgot about the water. I don't know what it is with you. You see cheese and you're just someone else. Hi, I got some cheese.
You asked about it, about the sound while I was eating the cheese, so I forgot that I had done that with the water.
The way you said it so, like, normally, you're like, oh yeah, I was eating cheese.
Because I didn't know what sound you heard. I thought you heard me opening the second wrapper.
You probably eat the wrapper, too, for the...
Oh, what the heck?
Cheese. You missed it. She just devoured, like, a whole, like, wheel of cheese. And it was the most horrific thing you'll ever hear. That was probably #1 most traumatizing thing tonight. even after being thugged.
No. No. I don't think so.
I'm not eating my nerds anymore again.
Sorry.
You're not. You're sitting there over enjoying cheese over there.
I don't have any more. I ate it.
I know you did. I heard it. I heard it disappear. I heard it cease to exist. It was gone.
I just wanted to ask what kind of dessert you'd think of a Leafeon would have.
Oh no.
Is that what their hair does?
I assume that's someone eating noodles. Is that what noodles sound like? Noodles are like... But apparently eating cheese is...
Stop, listen. It's good. No,
you listen. Stop. You listen to what you did.
I can't! I don't know how to do that! I think I have to wait for your stream to be over, okay?
Bless you.
Thank you.
Bless you.
Thank you.
I'm wondering if you do that in secret now. I'm wondering if this was just a mistake. Is this why your hiccups come? Anytime you hiccup, is it because you devour cheese? It makes sense. You're not getting enough air. That's what causes the hiccup.
You listened to me laugh for 5 minutes straight. Are you joking?
I also heard other things that I don't want to hear.
You make it sound like like something worse.
It was horrible.
This looks weird.
Yeah, so I guess I'm saying that's it. That's canon. You devour cheese.
I'd rather have that. I won't lie.
Like the chat is in the stream, but you don't see it in the real world.
Man, why did you get so quiet?
You tell me. You didn't say anything. I talked and you just sat there quietly. You're probably eyeballing your fridge.
My fridge is across the house.
That won't stop you from scurrying. I'm holding my box of nerds for no reason. I don't need to hold them.
Are you done with them?
Yeah. I'm not gonna eat them.
Oh, are you gonna save them for later?
Are you unaware of what saving for later is, Miss Cheese Grill? No?
I only ate like two things.
That didn't sound like that. It sound like you like devoured space time when you did that.
That'll be your follow sound.
Jeez.